All right, thanks, Jason. All right, listen up. If you recently adopted a new family member for the Greater Birmingham Humane Society, you may want to pay close attention to this.
Shelter leaders are asking you to bring your pets back for a new rabies vaccination. These product lot numbers were recently recalled. The GBHS says they're from the brand they used to vaccinate shelter residents before they're adopted.
And WBTM 13's Zoe Blair is hearing from some leaders at the Humane Society tonight. And what is the biggest concern for those pups that were vaccinated with those lots, Zoe?
Well, Guy, Carla, if your pup is like Michael's dog Teddy here and just recently got his last round of the rabies vaccine, you don't need to panic. I'm told that the vaccine is still somewhat effective, just not as effective as the manufacturer says it should be.
It's just not as effective, and so we want to use the one that is like that they want to stand behind.
Ivana Sullivan, GBHS's chief program officer, says the vaccine's manufacturer reached out to them to let them know there was an issue with the vaccines. Now they're working to revaccinate the pets that were recently adopted.
This doesn't mean that there's anything bad that's going to happen or that your animal has rabies or anything like that. It just means that it's a possibility that the vaccine that was used is just not as effective as it should be, and just to revaccinate.
And this isn't just affecting GBHS. She says anyone who recently got their pet vaccinated needs to check their lot number.
This is nationwide. This is not just here at the shelter. So it is something that everybody should call their vet and say, hey, did my dog or my cat get vaccinated with any of the recalled rabies vaccines? And then everybody can, get those handled if they're in that category.
According to data from the Alabama Department of Public Health, rabies cases are up compared to this time last year. So far, we've seen 27 cases this year compared to only 13 this time last year. In just 7 months, the number of cases is already very close to year-end totals over the past several years, with 35 cases reported in 2025, 28 in 2024, and 38 in 2023. The recall affects vaccines from July of last year to April of this year. Now, starting on Tuesday, the GBHS is going to be offering a free immunization clinic for the pets that were affected. You can find the information on how to get an appointment for that on our website. Live in Birmingham, Zoe Blair, WVTM 13.